What's up YouTube? Here is a quick trade recap of how I made $30 in about 30 minutes. I took 3 trades today and I'm only going to take 3. I'm done trading for the day, so let's just go ahead and do this quick recap. So on Amazon, I took 2 of my 3 trades. I saw that we were coming up to this resistance level here that is, my resistance level is in between the 2 blue lines. So we came up into resistance and broke out above this key level here, which is from an inside bar strategy that I use every day. If you want to check out that strategy, click the video in the corner. But anyways, I took a stab at shorts here because it seemed like we were rejecting this level. I honestly should have waited a little bit longer for my entry because we had not invalidated this bullish fair value gap here. So I got in a little bit early on this candle and it initially played out pretty well. However, I moved my stop loss to break even and I got stopped out of it a couple candles later. Then at this point over here, we had invalidated this bullish fair value gap from earlier, and I saw this bearish engulfing looking candle coming through as we were in this bearish fair value gap right here. So I took another attempt at shorts and I went ahead and took my profits here on this candle. It looks like a lot, but due to theta decay, it was only about $30 profit, but still profit is profit and you can't be mad about that. And then my third and final trade here is on Nvidia. Nvidia came all the way down, or all the way up rather, into this 171 level, which I was interested in going short from. I entered this a little while ago and it looks like I'm currently getting stopped out because my stop loss was set at break even. So this is my third and final trade for today. And one quick thing about risk management is, you know, when price was all the way down here and I set my stop loss at break even, it feels painful to get stopped out of your winning trades or what you think would be winning trades. However, putting your stop loss at break even is going to protect your capital and keep you profitable. There's nothing stopping price from going straight upwards, and my idea of shorting at 171 to be wrong. You don't want to try to force the market to do something that it's not really going to do. So moving your stop loss to break even is going to protect you more than it hurts you, no matter how hard it is psychologically to watch yourself get stopped out of that trade that you think is going to be a home run. Just take your base hits, get risk free as quick as possible, and survive to trade another day. So that is it for today. Click like, click subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.